Friends, today I'm going to show that how to export bookmarks on Chrome browser. Friends, to export bookmarks on Chrome browser is an easy process. Friends, don't miss anything on this video. And after watching the video, if you like this content, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, to export bookmarks on Chrome browser, first you have to open your browser. After that, you have to click on triple dot at the top right corner. After that, you have to go on Bookmark, then you have to click on Bookmark Manager. Then, my friends, you have to click on triple dot at the top right corner. After that, you have to click on Export Bookmarks. Then, my friends, simply you have to select the location where you want to save it, and if you want to change the file name, you can change this one. After that, click on Save. Now, my friends, you have to go to this PC. You have to select the location where you save it. See, my friends, this one is the Save Export Bookmarks of Chrome browser. So, friends, like this, if you want, easily you can export bookmarks on Chrome browser. Friends, to export bookmarks on Chrome browser, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give an answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.